guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we have a good old-fashioned haul and I have my very first Fendi piece. I don't know why I've never branched out. I've admired Fendi from afar for sure. I'm a huge fan of Sex and the City, Sarah Jessica Parker, or Carrie if you watch the show, and I know she loves her Fendi baguettes. I think I'm gonna add one. I almost bought one last year, but there was a huge story behind that I don't want to get into right now, but I think this is the year where I might actually add a Fendi baguette. We'll see. But today's video, like I said, I do have my very first Fendi piece. I have some shoes, I have some fragrance. I got all of these on sale. Right now, I feel like there's a ton of sales going on. Here in Canada, it's Victoria Day weekend, but I know Memorial Day is coming up for all of my friends in the United States. So there's going to be a ton of sales going on. And like I said, all of these items I got on sale. The shirt I'm wearing right now is from Maje. I've had this now. I bought it during COVID. But Maje is having an amazing sale this weekend. It's in store as well as online. And a lot of the spring and summer pieces are up to 40% off. I do have a community post, but I will also talk about some of the pieces that I truly love. I do have a number of these white poplin shirts. Many of them are from Aritzia. I'm looking up there so I can see them all, but I would say that this one from Maje is just way better quality. It just has washed really well, it's worn really well. I find it doesn't even wrinkle as much as my Aritzia ones, and I've had this now, like I mentioned, since COVID. So for about going on 4 years, and it is just still so stunning. So I know that the price point for Maje can be more than a lot of other brands. However, I think it's worth the investment. Don't sleep on the shoe section at Maje. I feel like they have so many amazing summer sandals, very similar to a lot of other brands that are up on the $2,000 Canadian mark. And these ones are leather. I will list some of my favorites here on the screen, but they also have this really chunky fisherman platform style, which fisherman sandals are so in and so on trend for the season, and to have that extra platform I think just adds a little bit of extra oomph and amp, and it's also going to add a couple inches of height, which is amazing. So definitely don't sleep on the shoe section. Maje also has a really stunning selection of dresses for the summer. I feel like summer tends to be the wedding season. I don't have any weddings to attend to so far, but I do have special occasions to go to. It is going to be my anniversary. One of the dresses that I really like is a simple black knit maxi dress. From the front, it's a very classic silhouette, but then from behind, there's a cutout at the back so you can show a little bit extra skin. But I still feel like it's modest, but it's also sexy at the same time. And then they have this pink, this baby pink, sort of lavender, semi-sheer dress. It has a higher neck, it has longer sleeves, and again, it has that modesty, but because it is a little bit semi-sheer with the knit, it gives it a little bit of something extra. It's beautiful, it's gorgeous, and you know me, I'm a creature of comfort and I love to wear a lot of neutrals and blacks, but this dress is so stunning. The sale runs until May 20th. I will link all of my top picks and all the information down below. Thank you to Maje for sponsoring this part of the video, and let's get on to the haul. Let's start with my Fendi items. So I did purchase this off SSENSE. SSENSE is also having a major sale right now. It just opened up to the public. So I bought this during the private sale, which if you are an Access member on SSENSE, so every time you make a purchase you get points, and then they build up and they can be a level 1, 2, or 3, I believe it is. So I had early access to this item, and like I said, I'm so excited because it is my very first piece from Fendi. So here we go. So now you can tell that it is a smaller item, but there's the box right there and it just says Fendi. Okay, I'm excited. So I ended up getting a pair of sunglasses. So look at this cute sunglass holder. It's like a puffer jacket. It looks like my vest back there. I love this. This is so cute. And I feel like it's gonna keep it nice and protected. Okay, I like that. And then in here we just have one of those little cleaning cloths, as well as authenticity cards, information, yada yada yada. But I do like that it came with a box. That's always nice, because sometimes when I've bought, you know, my items from Saint Laurent or when I was wearing Balenciaga, it didn't ever come with a box, which was strange. Okay, so like I mentioned, these are sunglasses. I think I have the actual name of them somewhere. The sunglasses are just called the Romas, and these are full price on the Fendi website. So I don't even know why they're on sale on Essence, but I'm super excited. I actually checked numerous websites, and Essence was the cheapest. So beautiful. Those are like dark black. Okay, so let's try these on. I'm so excited. So it just says Fendi on the side there, and then it just has the two little designs. I really hope these fit. These are so good. Okay, I feel like I have a very kind of narrow face, and again, I have no nose bridge, so I always have to do the nose bridge test. Okay, they're not bad. They dropped a little bit, but yes, these are a win. Look at them. And then from the side, I love it. I love it. I love it. And I just noticed right now that there is a cute little, I think this is a D-ring. Oh, yes. So you can hook this. So cute. It says Fendi right there. And then you can hook this onto your bag or whatever. I love it. I love it. I love it. And I'm so happy because I've been wearing my Saint Laurent ones like crazy. You guys know that I'm not the biggest fan of my Celine ones, just because someone actually said something really funny. They said it reminds me of the Matrix, which it definitely does. So these are super comfortable. They fit really nicely on the back of my head. And like I said, like the nose bridge test is pretty good. They fall a little bit, but I also have those little stickies from Amazon where you can put them on your, these little, like the nose pads, the silicone nose pads, so it doesn't slip off your face. So I love it. And like I said, the detail, it just says Fendi Roma there, but other than that, you would not be able to tell. Yeah, perfect. So happy to finally get these, and I love this puffy little dust bag that it comes in. Moving on, I have more boxes from Essence. I have 2 more boxes to open up. Oh, I should have done this off camera. I opened the other boxes off camera. The first one are these here. So I got another pair of gazelles. This one is from the women's section. Typically I get them from the kids section. I have 2 from the kids section, 1 from the women's section, and now this is my 4th pair of gazelles because I love them. These ones were also on sale. They were sold out on the Adidas website. So I'm so happy that I was able to pick them up. So they're just plain white, and then they have a darker green, a black, and then another dark green stripe with the dark green there. And then they have that, obviously, that rubber sole there in that contrast kind of beigey brown color. I love gazelles. They're so comfortable. Someone had asked me if you need to break them in. No. So I feel like I've had the gazelles. I've also had like the plain superstars from them. I have a lot of sort of more dad style shoes from Adidas, but I definitely love the gazelle. So in the kids I wear a 6, in the women I just get a 7 because I do find that they fit a little bit big. So I'm so happy to have these, and like I said, these were on sale as well. I don't know if they're sold out, but they are on sale for $128. They look like, ooh, there's some small sizes and some big sizes left, so if that suits you, then definitely go and check it out. But they are 20% off. Then 2 more pairs of shoes, which I have a really large shoe collection, I'm not gonna lie, but I wear sneakers every single day for work just because I'm on my feet all day, so I need comfy shoes. So I feel like they're justified. These ones I posted on my Essence community post. These are the Phoenix, I just think they're called the Phoenix. Yes, the Phoenix waffles. I kept seeing these all over TikTok and girls talking about how comfortable these were. They are very much a dad style. They have that chunkiness to them, but these might be one of the most comfiest pairs of shoes that I have. They are pretty light for being chunky, and they're just so comfortable. And like I said, I'm walking all day, on my feet all day. I need a pair of shoes that can survive, where my feet are just not in pain at the end of the day. And I would definitely recommend this. I got my size 8 in Nikes. I tend to always go with an 8. I find that for most pairs of Nikes, they fit half a size small. So I'm generally a 7 to a 7.5, but you know, as the day goes on, your feet gets wider. These are just amazing. So this color is in the Orwood Brown and Midnight Navy. Love these, especially for the summer months, because they are a little bit lighter. And then I picked up this pair, which is in the color Anthracite and Black, which they're a gray. It's like a shiny gray color with black. So this is when I wear black leggings, black shirt, all black outfit. I think this will be amazing just for just that monochromatic look. But like I said, these are just so comfortable and I like the look of them. They're chunky, kind of like a lot of my New Balance dad sneakers, but they also, like, especially the black pair, they look kind of slim on the feet. They don't make your feet look really big and bulky is what I'm trying to say. And I love the gray there, the reflective gray. It's so cool. So like I said, these ones were also on sale. Both pairs were 20% off, so they're a regular $135, on sale for $108. So being able to save on comfy shoes is always a major plus. And then last but not least, we have the fragrance items, and I have quite a number of them to show you, but they're all by the same brand. So they are by, I want to pronounce it Malin & Getz. Originally when we first moved in, I bought this duo, which is the Rum Hand and Body Wash. So this is the hand and body wash, and then it came with a matching lotion. This scent is intoxicating. It smells so good. It has a freshness to it, but it's so hard to describe. It doesn't smell like rum because I don't like the smell of rum, but it is like fresh but also warm at the same time. It is, if you haven't smelled this, and I blind bought this, I hadn't smelled it first, I just bought it. It is amazing. My husband even loves these, and he doesn't really care about all these fancy soaps that I buy. He never comments, but then he was like, this one smells so good, how come we can't have this in our bathroom? And I was like, no, it's for guests only. But love it. So then I decided to buy the refill for the hand and body wash, just because even I find myself using the guest bathroom just because I want to use it. So I ended up buying the giant refill bottle. These are a little bit pricey, but I did manage to get this on sale. This is from a place in Vancouver called Mask, M-A-S-K, no, M-A-S-C. They sell a lot of men's grooming products and skincare products, but they have a really extensive line of Malin & Getz. And then, because I loved it so much, from the same site, from Mask, I also bought this set, and I got 10% off it because I think when you join their email list, they send you a coupon or a discount code, and it has the dark rum candle, which smells amazing, but also the dark rum eau de parfum. And I think this set was on sale for maybe I want to say $160 or something. So now everything can smell like this. So I can smell like this, and this is a unisex scent as well. So my husband can use it, I can use it, my house can smell like the candle, but it can also smell like the body wash and the body lotion. I'm just saying, if you have not smelled the dark rum or the rum scent by Malin & Getz, you need to. It is delicious. That is everything that I've picked up recently. Again, definitely go and check out Maje and my picks down below as well. I will link everything that I showed in this haul. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!